Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English by Learning English podcast. I'm Adam, and as always, I'm here with my wonderful co-host, Sarah.
Hi everyone, it's so nice to have you here again. If you listened to our last episode, you know we traveled together through the airport, checked in, passed security, and got on our flight.
That's right. And now that we've landed, we need a place to stay. So, today's episode is all about checking into a hotel.
Yes, this is one of the most useful topics for travelers. Whether you're on vacation, a business trip, or visiting friends, you'll definitely need these phrases at some point.
We'll go step by step through a hotel conversation, from arriving at the front desk, to asking about your room, to solving small problems politely.
And of course, we'll do a fun and easy dialogue at the end, plus our vocabulary corner to review everything.
Sounds great. So, let's imagine you just arrived at your hotel after a long trip. You're tired, maybe a little hungry, but you need to check in.
When you walk into a hotel, the first thing you see is the front desk or reception. That's where you talk to the hotel staff, the receptionist.
Right. You can start the conversation politely by saying, "Good evening. I'd like to check in, please." "Hello, I have a reservation." "Hi, my name is Adam, and I booked a room for 2 nights."
That's perfect. And the receptionist might ask you, "May I see your passport, please? How many nights will you be staying? Would you like a single or a double room?"
Let's try a quick example. "Good evening. I'd like to check in, please."
"Of course, sir. Do you have a reservation?"
"Yes, I booked online under the name Adam Carter."
"Wonderful. May I see your passport, please?"
"Sure. Here you go."
"Thank you. You'll be staying for 2 nights, correct?"
"Yes, that's right."
Easy, right? Just be polite, smile, and speak slowly.
After checking in, you might want to ask a few questions about your room. For example, is breakfast included? What time is checkout? Do you have free Wi-Fi? Is there an elevator?
Yes, these are common and important. Let's look at a little mini conversation.
Is breakfast included in the price?
Yes, breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the ground floor.
Great. And what time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 noon. See? That's how natural it sounds.
And don't worry if you forget a word, most hotel staff speak English and will help you.
Sometimes things go wrong. Maybe your key doesn't work or there's a problem in your room. You can handle it easily with polite English.
Exactly. Here are some useful phrases. "Excuse me, my room key isn't working." "There's no hot water in my room." "Could you please send someone to fix it?" "Can I change my room, please?"
And the staff might say, "I'm very sorry for the inconvenience. We'll send someone right away. Please wait a moment. We'll fix it for you."
Here's how it could sound. "Excuse me, there's no hot water in my room."
"Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. We'll send our technician right away."
"Thank you very much."
"You're welcome. And again, we apologize for the inconvenience."
Always be polite. It helps a lot.
Sometimes you might want something extra, like a better room or a late checkout.
Yes, you can say, "Is it possible to get a room with a view? Can I have an extra towel, please? Could I check out a little later? Can you call me a taxi in the morning?"
These small requests make your stay more comfortable and they show polite English skills.
Now, let's listen to a full example between Adam and the receptionist. "Me, good evening. I'd like to check in, please."
Of course. Do you have a reservation?
"Yes, under the name Adam Carter."
Let's see. Yes, Mr. Carter. You booked a single room for 2 nights.
"That's right."
May I see your passport, please?"
"Sure. Here it is."
Thank you. Here's your room key. You're in room 304 on the 3rd floor.
"Great. Is breakfast included?"
Yes, breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant downstairs.
"Perfect. And what time is checkout?"
At 12 noon.
"Wonderful. One more thing. Is there Wi-Fi in the room?"
Yes, the password is on this card.
"Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. Enjoy your stay. See? Simple, polite, and clear.
All right, let's look at some new words and phrases we learned today.
Here we go. Reservation, a booking you make before arriving. Reception, front desk, the place where you check in at the hotel.
Receptionist, the person who helps you check in. Check in, check out, the process of arriving or leaving the hotel. Single room, double room, a room for one person or two people.
Included, already part of the price. Inconvenience, a small problem or difficulty. Upgrade, move to a better room or service. View, the scenery you see from your room window. Key card, a card used to open your hotel room.
Let's quickly review what we learned today. We talked about how to check into a hotel, how to ask questions about your room, and how to handle small problems politely.
Exactly. The key takeaway is to stay polite and use short, clear sentences. Words like please, thank you, and excuse me go a long way.
Try practicing this with a friend. One person can be the guest and the other the receptionist. Switch roles and repeat.
That's a great way to build confidence.
All right, that's it for today's episode. We hope you feel more confident about checking into a hotel in English.
Next time, we'll talk about something you'll definitely do after your hotel stay, taking a taxi.
Yes, so don't miss our next episode, Talking to a Taxi Driver. It's going to be fun and useful.
Make sure to follow our podcast, share it with a friend who wants to learn English, and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear where you're listening from.
Thanks for joining us today. Remember, English learning is easy when you practice every day.
This is Easy English by Learning English Podcast.
Helping you learn English one conversation at a time.
Subscribe our channel and also share with your family and friends.
Keep practicing and keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone.